Hello children, how are you? Very good morning. This topic taken from class 10 CBSE pattern. Here we will discuss about pancreas gland. Okay, this is a diagram of pancreas gland showing on your screen. This is a very clearfully diagram. Both diagrams showing here. So this is Amita. Start this topic. Before start this topic, please subscribe, like, and more share and press red button and increase your knowledge with this video. My aim, the topic is based on understand concept. Okay, so this is a pancreas. Here we will discuss about pancreas. So firstly taken here, this is a first diagram of pancreas. This is a gallbladder, accessory pancreatic duct. Here we can see here, this is a on your screen, this is a pancreatic duct, pancreas, body, duodenal flexure, jejunum, major duodenum papilla. This is a papilla, major duodenum papilla, duodenum, main pancreatic duct. This is this diagram. Here we show here on your screen. This is a main pancreatic duct. This is a main pancreatic duct. This duct connected into the duodenum. Duodenum is shortest segment of small intestine. This is a very shortest section of small intestine. So these pancreatic duct connect to the duodenum. Okay, so this is a major duodenum papilla, gallbladder, accessory pancreatic duct, pancreas, body, tail, duodenum flexure and jejunum, or this is a head and main pancreatic duct. This is a diagram of pancreas. Another diagram of pancreas. This is spleen, esophagus, pancreas, liver. This part of liver here, gallbladder, portal, duodenum. This pancreatic duct connect to the duodenum. Duodenum is the shortest segment of small intestine. Okay, this is a duodenum. Superior mesenteric vein and superior mesenteric artery. So here we will discuss and arise in our mind where is the location of the pancreas. Firstly taken this topic, where is the location of pancreas, only discuss here in this video where is the location of the pancreas. So let's start. The pancreas is located behind the stomach and surrounded by the small intestine, liver and spleen. The pancreas is located behind the stomach. Okay, behind the stomach and surrounded by small intestine. This is a small intestine. Duodenum is the shortest segment of small intestine. The pancreas is located behind the stomach, and surrounded by liver. You can see on your screen, surrounded by liver. This is a liver. Here we can see here on your screen, this is a pancreas. The pancreas is located behind the stomach and surrounded by the small intestine. This is a small intestine part called duodenum. This is the shortest segment, small segment of the small intestine. Okay, yeah, we can see here a small section of small section of small intestine. This is a called duodenum. The pancreas surrounded by liver and small intestine and spleen. Here we can see on your screen, this is spleen. So this question, where is the location of the pancreas, very clearly and based on understand concept, you can speak with me. The pancreas is located behind the stomach and surrounded by the small intestine, liver and spleen. Here we can see this is a small intestine, duodenum. Now next slide we will come. this is a pancreas, another diagram you can see on your screen. So firstly discuss about this diagram. So please listen carefully and see in your screen. This is a gallbladder here, green like bag like structure. This is a gallbladder and this is a bile duct. Gallbladder secret bile duct, and here this is a pancreas, or this is a seen your any screen. This duct is called pancreatic duct. Okay, this is a small intestine. This is smallest section of small intestine called duodenum. Okay, in previous slides already discussed about the duodenum is the smallest or shortest segment of small intestine. Okay, this duct, pancreatic duct, connect to the small intestine part, shortest part called duodenum. So pancreatic duct connect to the duodenum. Duodenum is the first segment and shortest segment of the small intestine. Keep in mind, duodenum is the first and shortest segment of the small intestine. This pancreatic duct connect to the shortest segment of small intestine called duodenum. Okay, so I will hope you can easily define this location of pancreas. So next, another section of diagram, the digestive enzyme secreted here. This is showing here very clearly fully. Pancreatic islets of Langerhans and capillary hormone secreted islet cells. This is a digestive enzyme secret cells. These some tiny structure look like a tiny structure showing on your screen. This is a digestive enzyme secreting cells and pancreatic islet list of Langerhans, and this is a duct. Okay, this duct connect to the small intestine. Very clearly showing here a very based on very understand concept and very crystal explanation discuss here कि where is location of pancreas. Okay, so pancreas is a connect to the small intestine. The first part of the small intestine called duodenum. Here section of small pancreas. This is some small cells you can see on your screen. This is a digestive enzyme secreting cells. These cells secrete digestive enzymes secreted by these cells, and these enzymes reach to the small intestine. Okay, and this is a capillary you can see on your screen, hormone secreting islet cells. These cells hormone secreting islet cells. Okay, so this literature you can see on your screen. This content very clearly description of pancreas gland. So firstly here we can see her on your screen and note down in your notebook. The pancreas is about 6 inches long and sits across the back of the abdomen. Okay, 6 inches long. 6 inches long. You can easily define here. The pancreas is about only 6 inches long. 6 inches long. Okay, and sits across the back of the abdomen behind the stomach. The head of the pancreas is on the right side of the abdomen and is connected to the duodenum. The first section of the small intestine through a small tube called pancreatic duct. So we will finish this video here, and before finishing I will request to all, please subscribe, like and more share and press red button. This channel very based on understand concept and very easy method used in very every topics with diagram here. So this topic taken from class 10 CBSE pattern, and enjoy this topic and increase your knowledge. So press red button and subscribe again. Thank you very much. Stay in home. Think positive, do positive. God bless.